Come test drive the 2017 Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price. Agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, cloth seat trim, passenger vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.